Alright everybody, just got done with the Kawasaki day. Oh man, I only got 2 rides in, which is fine, but there was a lot more people than I thought. So I got in the Z900 and the 1000 SX. Both were fine bikes, not too bad. Really couldn't get video on the Z900, my stupid battery died, and so that's that. But we are squatted up. We got all sorts. ZX6, CBR, SP, Grom style. We've got Indian, we've got Harley. And the funny thing is, I'm related to all of these guys. Hey, we Asians, so our community goes deep. Our family lines go deep, but it's fun. We got that blue Grom over there, we got the yellow one over there as well. So I said we were all at the Kawasaki demo day riding, and like I say, we're done now, so we're just gonna go cruise for a little bit. This is my actually first time riding with these guys, just because I don't get a chance to come and be out with them a lot. Like I say, we all got our own busy schedules, so it's a good day that we got out here. And it was unplanned. I just met them at the Kawasaki thing, and they're like, hey, let's go ride. I'm like, all right, game. So here we are, going out to go ride. I don't know where we're going, but we're just gonna go ride, and then let's go have some fun, and then let's just see where we end up. Hopefully we don't end up in like North Carolina like the last time I get on an unspecific, undetermined destination ride. Ended up in North Carolina. Hopefully we don't do that today. We won't do that. We got Groms with us. Probably not going to do any highway runs. Groms can't make it. It can, but it'll be tough. So, well, let's go ahead and get this thing. I'm gonna run anchor so I can get all of these guys in, because if I run point, I'm not gonna be able to get all these guys pictures in and get videos of their nice rides. So we're gonna take it easy and run anchor on them. I love it when we can I love it when we're able to get out with a lot of bikes like this. It's even better that we're all family. And I'm not just talking about the riding community family. I'm talking about like we actually got some ties. Like I said earlier, we Asians, so we are deep, fam. We get all sorts of blood ties everywhere once we start talking and figuring out who's who. Yeah, that's how we roll, bro. And this is the part of why I love riding so much, just because you get to meet up with your fellow brothers that you knew that kind of rode, but there are some of the guys that I didn't know, I haven't really met before, but they got blood ties, not blood ties, but they're tied through marriage and stuff like that. So but there's a couple of these guys that are actually blood ties. So it's cool as heck. But I love it that they love to ride just like I do, and so we can actually get out and ride and have some fun riding around. So, but I'm gonna run anchor but I gotta try to keep close and get some good footage of them. But our riding community is awesome. I love it so much. Love it, love it, love it. I left Ghost back at Kawasaki to go and ride with my boys here, but Ghost and I, we had our fun this morning. He's still out there hanging. He's got like a 3 o'clock ride that's coming up, so he's gonna be hanging out there and doing his 3 o'clock ride, and he said he might come back tomorrow. Who knows? I think the weather might be taking a dip tomorrow, so it might have some rain, so crowds might not be as deep as it was today. So I want to give a shout out to anybody else who's in this area, even if you're a Hmong or not, but especially if you're a Hmong person or an Asian person. Come on, ride with us. We have some fun. Let's grow this community. I'm all about that. So let's grow the community of riders together, and let's have some fun out here, man. I love this stuff. This is like pulling on my heartstrings, fam. The Groms are struggling. And I'm here for it. I'll tell you, man, this hey. Hey now. Damn. Damn. I just won a prize. Crap. Ah. Give them a little space. I can make my runs. We are squatted up. I love that we have different flavors of bikes out here. Not everybody's so uniformed, and it's awesome that you get to see all these different types of bikes and the different flavors that is out there for every type of rider. You got the cruisers, you know what I'm saying, you got the sports, you got the Groms, you got the naked, because she's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. Yes, you are. And needs an exhaust. She needs an exhaust. I ain't gonna lie. I need an exhaust system. Who wants to buy me an exhaust system? Oh man. Nobody? No? Comment below and help a brother out. Share my content so I can get an exhaust. Like my stuff. Subscribe so I can get an exhaust. Man, I ain't gonna lie. If I get out to 1,000 subs, I would definitely go out and buy an exhaust for this bike. So give me 1,000 subs and I'll go out and buy an exhaust. Yeah, she needs it. I gotta open it up, man. I gotta open up and let her breathe a little bit. Lord have mercy, this light.
Two hours later.
That car behind us hates us. Oh, my bad. I love it that he is full tuck. He is full tuck on that Grom, fam. Oh, that is so epic, bro. That is hella epic. All right, I had to squeeze it just a bit, okay? I had to, you know what I'm saying? I had to squeeze it a little. Yeah, squat it up, bro. Woo! Love it. I'm like a little kid, I ain't gonna lie. I'm a full-grown man, but I'm out here like a little kid, fam. Woo! I appreciate you guys coming along. If you want to go ahead and hit that sub button, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit the like, and go ahead and share this content out to everybody you know, and let's make sure we continue to be able to get this out for you guys on a daily basis. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.